Sonia here and welcome back to my channel. So I know today we have kind of a little different video, but I thought that I would share this tip, trick, hack, whatever to do your own fake nails at home. So that is exactly what we are doing today. Now this obviously is just fake nails using some full-length false nails. Don't know what these are called actually, but they are from the company Kiss. I think I bought these at Walmart. Now this right here, ladies and gentlemen, this will save you so much money. It's ridiculous. Just think, let's say you want to get your nails done around once a month, right? So standard manicure, acrylic or gel is going to be around $45. Now, if you want to design, sis, that's $5. If you want rhinestones, that is $5. So let's say in order to get a standard acrylic where you maybe have one design on one finger, maybe on your ring finger, $50 plus tip, $55. Let me just tell you, everything that I bought here, I bought about like 12 nail polishes from the dollar store. All these nail files. These Revlon ones I got at Walmart because I wasn't gonna go to Dollarama, but then I went to Dollarama, which is the dollar store here. Got nail files, this many Q-tips, professional acetone, all these sponges in case you want to do fancy designs. This whole kit of fake nails. And let me tell you, all this was only $50. And you can get like 100 manicures with this. Instead of $55 a month, you spend $55 once and you can do this anytime you want. I have switched to this life. I took the nails off I had before, so I still have some excess like glue on them. I'm just gonna show you guys a close-up on my other camera. I previously had acrylics before these, so my nails are a little thin on the bottom half. They do have some glue on them, but I'm on a tight schedule right now because I'm supposed to go out with my mom in an hour and I need to have my nails done. So I'm not gonna soak my nails for 20 more minutes in acetone to get the rest of the glue off. I'm too lazy. But at home, make sure you are starting with a clear bed. If you have fake nails already on and you don't want them on anymore, just make sure you soak them in acetone with a cotton ball, wrap them in tin foil, then after make sure you apply some oil to your cuticles to bring back the moistness. I know people don't like that word. So I kind of just want to get started. This is a cute makeup bag that I bought at Dollarama and it's snakeskin, but it's fake, obviously. Simply basic. Oh my god, simply nail logical? So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to find the nail tips that actually fit your finger and make sure that they fit properly. So this one right here is good for my thumb. I don't think I actually have to file this one around. So that's good for my thumb. Make sure you separate them per hand. So now let's do the index finger. So some people have different shapes around their cuticles. So you just want to file around the part that's going to go around your cuticle. Just like so. And see, that fits now. Yeah, this one needs to be filed too. This Revlon nail file is actually really good. Ooh, that one actually fits perfectly. I love when that happens. The less work, the better. You guys, I want to show you these hacks I have because I want to save you all money. Now, just like a little disclaimer, I am not a nail technician. This is a DIY, you guys. Like, this is what I do to my own nails. So if you guys want to try this, make sure you do a little research, and it literally looks the exact same. So this is the nail glue that this pack came with. So I'm going to start with my left hand first. So I'm going to grab the thumb one. Just apply some glue. I don't actually squeeze it because when you tilt it upside down, it comes out. So I just rub it around, get every area, and then I grab the nail and I put it on. One thing I want to remind you guys is make sure you push back your cuticles. I don't recommend cutting your cuticles. I feel like that's like really unhealthy for your nail. And make sure you try to get it on as straight as possible. And I'm going to do this with all the rest of the nails. I don't know how people keep nails this long, like especially because I'm in school now and I have to like write, so I can't even hold a pencil like that. I can't imagine. So this is the nails so far. I'm so shook. So now that this hand's done, I'm going to do my other hand. So I'm gonna do that off camera. Okay, so the nails are done on both hands. So now I'm going to grab some scissors that I have and just kind of cut them to the length that I actually want. And then I'm going to shape them with the file. Now shaping them is the part that actually takes the longest. So make sure you put on a YouTube video or something because it takes a while. For the thumbs, I don't like to go too long. That honestly is a pretty good length. Now I'm going to do it to the other hand. Okay, this is actually a really good length for me. So now the biggest thing is to actually shape the nail. So personally, I really enjoy a coffin shaped nail. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So this is how I file. I kind of dig the file in between so I know that there's no glue stuck to my actual hand. So look at the difference in shape. I hope it focuses, but see how this one's more rectangle and this one's more smooth? And then I like to file underneath so it's not as sharp because the first time I did fake nails at home, I didn't realize how sharp the points could be and I poked about 3 holes in my leggings. So that really wasn't fun. But I'm just going to shape the rest of the nails off camera and show you guys. Okay, so my nails are officially shaped to the shape that I actually would like to have them in. I'm going to dump out all my nail polish, which most I bought at the dollar store except for my base coat, top coat, and my mattifying coat I all bought at Walmart. So these were $8 each. However, all these colors I bought at Dollarama. So I don't even know if applying a base coat for fake nails is important, but I'm going to do it. This is the color I'm actually going to use. It's this beautiful like purpley gray kind of color that I think is really nice, especially since the season's changing to fall. So I'm going to add this base coat right here. It is a strengthening base coat, but it really doesn't matter because it's a fake nail. For the purpose of the video, I'm just gonna show you guys my left hand because I'm right-handed. And since I don't have a fancy UV light, I have to dry it with my mouth. The base coat I think is pretty much dry. Oh my god. Oh my god, I am obsessed. Now don't worry, if you get any on your cuticles at all, you can always just wipe them off. You guys, this is one coat. That is insane. So make sure you get this little underneath part here so people can't see the color separation. That is so stunning. I love this color. I messed up, but it's fine. We're just gonna fix it with acetone after. I'm gonna grab this in some acetone. I have a little bowl beside me, and I'm just going to wipe it off. Just like that. And it's literally like it wasn't even there. I've never been good at painting my nails, so I'm actually doing a pretty good job. These are stunning. Okay, I'm just gonna paint the rest and show you guys how they look. All right, so these are the nails after one coat, and I am seriously obsessed. I think I'm gonna go over it with one more coat just in case, and I'll do a second coat, do this hand, and then we'll decide if we're gonna make it matte or not, because I'm not sure. Okay, so these are both nails painted. I actually decided to go against a 2-coat because it was actually very fully covered. And if I don't have to waste nail polish on a second coat, I won't. So now I'm just gonna grab this top coat from Sally Hansen, put this over to give it some shine. So I'm just gonna do one top coat right over just to seal it in. Oh my god! Guys, ever since I learned this, I literally just, you can never go back. Once you save your money by doing this, you'll never want to go get your nails done again. Like, look how stunning that is. Guys, come on now. Look how pretty these are. I'm actually so shook. All right, you guys, nails are dry. This is the final product. I am so shook. And these will probably last me around a good week before one starts to come off. But if one ever comes off, I literally just glue it back. And the good thing about this is if this ever comes off, it's not gonna hurt as much as acrylics. because there's no acrylic attached to your actual nail bed. So this is literally amazing, you guys. I'm so happy with how this turned out. As you can see, my little nail area here. I'm going to make more nail videos because this was so much fun. I'm so obsessed, you guys. I can't believe these are my nails. I can't believe I did these myself. Like, who am I? Alright guys, so this is the video of me doing my fake nails at home. Now, obviously, I didn't do any nail art or anything because I wasn't really feeling that. But if you guys ever want to get into nail art, go for it. Personally, today, I didn't really feel like I kind of just felt like a neutral kind of purpley fall color. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see any more nail videos, let me know by smashing the thumbs up button, and please subscribe down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mwah.